Lesson 31. Tsuzuki-masu. Continue. Benkyo tsuzukimasu. I will continue studying. Mitsukimasu. Find. Atarashi shigoto o mitsukimashita. I found a new job. Torimasu. Take a holiday. Raiju yasumi o torimasu. I will take a holiday next week. Ukimasu. Take an examination. Shiki no okimasu. I will take an exam. Moshikomimasu. Apply for, enter. Daigaku ni moshikomimasu. I will apply to a university. Yasumimasu. Take a break, rest. Skoshi yasumimashou. Let's take a short break. Sakubun. Essay composition. Nihongo de sakubun o kakimashita. I wrote an essay in Japanese. Happyo. Announcement. Presentation. Achita no happyo no junbi o shite imasu. I am preparing for tomorrow's presentation. Tenrankai. Exhibition. Bijutsukan de tenrankai ga arimasu. There is an exhibition at the art museum. Kekkonshiki. Wedding ceremony. Raiju tomodachi no kekkonshiki ni ikimasu. Next week, I will go to my friend's wedding ceremony. Honsha. Head office. Honsha wa Tokyo ni arimasu. The head office is in Tokyo. Onsen. Hot spring. Onsen de rikakusu shimashita. I relaxed at the hot spring. Zutto. The whole time. Kari wa zutto benkyou shite imashita. He was studying the whole time. Ososhiki. Funeral. Keno sofo no soshiki ga arimashita. My grandfather's funeral was yesterday. Shiki. Ceremony. Shiki ga hajimerimasu. The ceremony is starting. Shiten. Branch office. Osaka shiten de hataraite imasu. I work at the Osaka branch office. Kyukai. Church. Nichiyobi ni kyukai ikemasu. I go to church on Sundays. Daigakuen. Graduate school. Kari wa daigakuen ni kayute imasu. He is attending graduate school. Dobutsuen. Zoo. Komodachi. Kodomotachi o dobutsuen ni tsurete ikimasu. I will take the children to the zoo. Onsen. Hot spring. Spa. Onsen de rikakusu shimashita. I relaxed at the hot spring. Kairi. Return. Kairi ga osoko narimasu. I will return late. Okusan. Someone else's child. Okusan wa nansai desu ka? How old is your child? Go. Train number, typhoon number, etc. Go gosha ni norimasu. I will ride in car number 5. No who. Place toward direction of. Tokyo no hu ne mokaimasu. I will head in the direction of Tokyo. Bari. Bali. Indonesian island. Barito de bakansu o tanoshimimashita. I enjoyed a vacation in Bali. Picasso. Pablo Picasso. Spanish painter. Bijutsukan de Picasso no e o mimashita. I saw Picasso's paintings at the museum. Nozomi. Name of a Shinkansen train. Nozomi Super Express number 42. Nozomi Yunjo ni Go ni Norimashita. I took the Nozomi Super Express number 42. Shinkobi, name of a station in Yugo Prefecture. Shinkobi Iki de Orimasu. I will get off at Shinkobi Station. Nokorimasu. She remain. Be left. Stay behind. Kari wa kaigi ga owatte mo hiya ni nokorimashita. He stayed behind in the room even after the meeting ended. Nyugaku Shiken entrance examination. Daigaku no Nyugaku Shiken no okimasu. We will take the university entrance exam. Tsukini per month. Kare wa tsukini ikkai eiga ka ni ikimasu. He goes to the cinema once a month. Mora village. Suno mora ni wa yaku nin shika sundaimasen. Only 100 people live in that village. Sochogyo shimasu. Graduate. Rainen, watashi wa daigaku o sochogyo shimasu. Next year, I will graduate from university. Eigakan, movie theater, cinema. Tomodachi to isshu ni eigakan ni ikimashita. I went to the cinema with my friends. Iya, hateful, disagreeable. Sono ongaku wa kirai desu. I dislike that music. Sora, sky. Sora ga aoi desu ne. The sky is blue, isn't it? Tojimasu, close. Doa o tojite kudasai. Please close the door. Tokai, city. Tokai ni wa taksan no biro ga arimasu. There are many buildings in the city. Kodomotachi, children. Kodomotachi wa kouen de asundeimasu. The children are playing in the park. Jiyo ni, freely. Jiyo ni hanashite kudasai. Please speak freely. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Mata ne!